the clip is CEE through. What all do you want from me?
So yeah, I'm going to say this. This is my Speedcubing documentary. Not documentary, compilation of when I started cubing and through on. So I hope you guys enjoy, and I will start making this video now. Bye.
Well, this is just okay. The V-Cube 3. Yeah, this is one of the worst puzzles in my collection. I used to think that was good because it literally was really quiet, but then I realized that it's really trash. Now we have the Duncan, or is it the Quick Cube? It's the dumbest name ever, and it turns horrible for me. That's my opinion. Don't get mad at me. And the GAN 356 are, yeah, it's my main. It's pretty good. Moving on to 4x4s, I only have one. Right here we have the Moyu Guanso 4x4. Yeah, it's pretty good. Yeah, it's actually my main 4x4 because it's literally my only 4x4. I don't really suggest it. Next. I found this in my garage yesterday. This is my first ever 2x2 that I remember. Yeah, it does not turn that good. So, okay, now we have the Chi Thunderclap. No, it's the Chi Cheedy 2x2. No, it's not that good. It's pretty good. And then we have the Shang Shao 2x2. Yeah. Not as good as I think. So, next, 3x3s. Alright, here's the last one. It's the Mega Minx. Yeah. It's pretty good. Three by three. We got the GAN. We got the GAN 356R, or is it the X? I don't know. It's probably the X. Wait, I think it's the R. Yeah, it's the R because it doesn't have magnets. Well, I think it has magnets. Does it have magnets? Not that I know of. So, yeah. And we have the V-Cube 3. Into the trash. Next, we have my first Rubik's brand. Not my first one, it's my second one actually. Got this 1 year after my first one. And I don't think it turns that well. So yeah. And my first ever Rubik's Cube. Turns horrible and I don't like it. But we also have the mini Speedcube. I don't know why I ever bought this. The sticker sheets, I'm just gonna have to say they're pretty good. And we have the non-Speedcube, which is really bad. So let's move on to keyboards. Today we're gonna be scrambling all my 3x3s and mixing and solving them. Wait. Hey, let me see that cube. Here you go. Why did you waste so much money on that cube when you could have just got this one? See? Look at that corner cutting. Okay, so this turning matches up with this turning. No, it's better the louder it is. Whoa, is that a flat cube? No, it is a floppy cube. No, it's a flat cube because it's flat. No, first of all, it is 3D. No, it's a flat cube. I'm done. Yeah, don't ask me why I have a Cyclone Boys Mega Mix. Moving on. Okay, Twisty. The Trash Rubik's Brand, that's the Shapeshifter mod. Moving on. Trash 1x3 Rubik's Brand. Moving on. You take a guess about how this got scrambled. There's so many reasons why I don't like this cube, and I don't feel like talking about them, and I'm running out of air for this sentence. So many reasons that I don't like this cube, and I don't really care why it's... I don't even know why it's still in my collection. And I can't even turn!